And with Mo Salah and Kevin De Bruyne, you must have seen glimpses where you were like, these are unbelievable.
Oh, yeah, we could see that. Obviously, with Mo, we know he was fast. He was very, very fast. But I just think his end product wasn't quite there. And that's something Mourinho was trying to get the best out of him. But he just couldn't get at Chelsea. Probably because of, obviously, the players that were there in front of him. He just couldn't find a way to improve that aspect of his game. But whilst he went away and he went to Roma and he developed himself and then became the Mo Salah that we saw today, yes, we did see that. Kevin De Bruyne, we did see that in training, how talented he was. But the problem with Kevin back then, you can straight away tell that mentally, he wasn't strong enough to be at Chelsea. Mentally, no. He was always sulking. He was always angry during training. After game, because he didn't play, he comes in the next day, the mood was down. But we could see talent with Kevin. Mentally, maybe they were not strong enough to be at a club like Chelsea back then. They needed to go away somewhere lesser, develop. And that's why when you watch Kevin today, for me, it's a joy to watch Kevin. You know, the passes and everything, obviously amazing.